Hello, good day mga kudok. So today is Saturday here in the UK and our big agenda today is that we will do grocery shopping. It's my first time doing groceries all by myself without my wife. So come and join me as I come and buy my groceries and let's see how much will I spend and what are the things that I will buy in the grocery. Let's go.